9.5 Translation of graphs of functions. Start from 9.5, we talked about the transformation, and we started the first kind of transformation, translation. Okay, do you remember how many kinds of translation? Yeah, two kinds, right? You've learned it before. Okay, one is vertical translation, okay, and the other one is horizontal translation. That means this one, horizontal translation. Okay, let's have a look at this one first. Here we have a triangle. Translate by this direction. Actually, you can think it as, okay, translate upward, okay, and then translate to the right. That means translate certain units upward. Okay, for example, here translate 5 units upward, and then translate 4 units to the right, like this. Okay, so if now it's a curve like this, if it's a function y equal to fx, then what happened? For example, this point translate to this point, right? Then you can say that, okay, it translates to the right for certain units, then translate downward for certain units. Okay, so how to rewrite or how to get the new graphs of the function? That means y equal to gx. Okay, how can we get gx? Okay, let's see. Now, vertical translation, that means translate upwards or downwards. Okay, go upwards or downwards. Then you think that, okay, maybe let's have a look at this two thing. Okay, if translate k units upward, then substitute y minus k into k. Y minus k? Yeah, y minus k into y. Okay. If translate downward, okay, if translate downward, then substitute y plus k into y. Then you think, translate y plus k into y. What means of this? Okay, let's see some example here. 9.5a. Part A. If the graph of the function y equal to x squared, that means this one, okay, is translate 1 unit upwards, then the new graphs will be represented by, okay, just now we say that, okay, translate 1 unit upwards, then substitute y minus k into y. So here, substitute this one, y minus 1 into y. That means y minus 1 here equals to x squared. Actually, you will get that. Finally, y equals to x squared plus 1. Is it that you expected? X squared, that means this curve x squared, and then all together plus 1. That means goes upward 1 unit, right? So I use a pencil and let you have a look. That means you think that, okay, something like this. Right, y equals to x squared plus 1, this one, right? So here means y minus k substitute into y. Okay, here 1 units, so y minus 1 substitute into y. That means like this. Okay, maybe one more. B. If the graph of the function y equals to x squared is translate 3 units upwards, again 3 units upward, okay, then what should we substitute into y? Then the new graph will be represented by, okay, that means now, okay, this one I need to substitute, or right here I need to substitute, okay, upwards, right? So y minus 3 into this. So at the end, y minus 3 equals to x squared. Then you get that y equals to x squared plus 3. Yeah. And you see the curve will goes upward, right? So that means like this. Right. Y equals to x squared plus 3. Goes upward 3 units. See? Okay. How about C and D? How about C and D? Let's have a look. Now, if the graph y equals x squared translate 2 units downwards, this time 2 units downward, then what should we substitute? Remember, because this one vertical translation, okay, here vertical translation, that means affect y. So we focus on y. We focus on y, okay? So affects, okay, downward, that means affect y. So what should we do for y? Okay. Here this time we substitute y, okay, 2, that means substitute y plus 2 into the y. Therefore, y plus 2 here equals to x squared. As a result, this one, that means x squared minus 2. Right, x squared minus 2. So for the whole curve, I use this now, okay? Then will become like this, right? Y equals to x squared minus 2, right? Okay. How about the last one, D? If the graph of y equals x squared translate 4 units, okay, 4 units downwards, then what should we do in y? Okay, this one, y, okay, 4 units and downward. Therefore, y plus 4 equals to x squared, and that means y equals to x squared minus 4, right? So this all are the answers, and then translate 4 units downward. So you found that, okay, use a pencil again. Ouch, not really good. Maybe like this, okay? Y equals to x squared minus 4, okay? So 4 units downward, right? So become this. Do you understand how to write down the new function now? Let's try by yourself.